Welcome and congratulations on gaining access to this course on Facebook retargeting. This is the first video where we will introduce you to the basics and get you started. Before diving in, I want to give you a quick overview of what you'll find in this video series so you know exactly what to expect. As mentioned, this is the first video. The second video will present a visual map of how Facebook retargeting works. I'll guide you through the process, explaining how everything connects. Many people rush into setting things up without fully understanding how the pieces fit together, which can be confusing. Whether you're setting up an email opt-in campaign, a blog post retargeting campaign, or a purchase retargeting campaign, each is different, and this visual map will help clarify the basics. In the third video, I'll provide real-life examples to make things clearer. The fourth video will introduce you to the Facebook pixel, what it is, why it's crucial, and how it's used. From there, the fifth video will walk you through adding the pixel to your website no matter what platform you're using, be it WordPress, ClickFunnels, lead pages, or any other landing page builder. In the sixth video, we'll explore pixel variables and settings, also known as standard events. This includes tracking actions like page visits, leads, and cart additions. I'll also show you how to retarget people who have added items to their cart but haven't completed a purchase, possibly offering them a discount. So, in the seventh video, we're going to dive into custom audiences. These are specific segments or lists of people that you can target with your ads. It's a really powerful way to ensure your message reaches the right people. By the eighth video, we'll move to practical applications where you'll learn to create custom audiences in real time. Finally, in the ninth video, we'll discuss setting up a complete retargeting campaign. Now, let's touch on mindset. It's essential to understand that you won't get immediate results such as sales or leads just by setting up a Facebook retargeting campaign. Converting visitors takes time, sometimes requiring 12 to 17 touch points before they make a purchase. So don't expect immediate results. To get started, here's what you'll need. A Facebook ad account, which also requires a Facebook business account. You can create one by visiting business.facebook.com. A budget for ads, ideally at least $500 or more to see real results. A clear understanding of how you're selling your product or service, including your website and funnel setup. Know how many pages you have in your funnel, 3, 4, 5 or more. Some kind of mind map or flowchart software to help you plan and organize everything effectively. Once you have all these in place, everything will start to make sense as we proceed.